Hi everybody, this is my introduction for EDTC 16. My name is Abigail Smith. Some things about me. I grew up in a small town on the shore of Connecticut, where I graduated high school. I went to college at the University of Vermont up in Burlington. I love to ski. I've been skiing my whole life, and I actually did some ski racing at the University of Vermont as well. I graduated from there in 2020, and from there I moved to Denver, Colorado, where I live now. I have two brothers, and I have a dog, Bentley. He is a golden doodle. So, for my teaching experience, I completed a few practicum experiences in high school classrooms in Vermont. So I was with freshmen all the way through sophomores in different English classes and some elective classes. Then the following year, when I was doing student teaching, we were asked for volunteers to go to the middle school instead of the high school. And I thought that sounded like a great opportunity. So I was placed in a 7th grade classroom for student teaching. And I had never been with middle schoolers before, but I loved it. Decided to apply to middle schools rather than high schools for my first job. And just this past week, I started my second year of teaching 8th grade language arts at Fort Morgan Middle School in Colorado. Two things on my bucket list. My first one is to go helicopter skiing. I think it would be really cool to ski top to bottom of a mountain where the snow hasn't been touched. That would be really cool. My second thing is shark cage diving. In South Africa, I know that they do this a lot. I just think that would be really cool to be really close to sharks underwater. And I'm looking forward to a great semester. I'm looking forward to communicating with you all, making connections, and working together on various assignments.